Hey guys, so this is my new Hot Wheels and I have ordered this from Flipkart for free using my super coins. See the first uh, Hot Wheels. So it is a 1970 Chevy SS. It has a matte finish on it. Thank you. And another, the next one is my favorite color, blue, and it is a 70 Ford Escort. The blue is my favorite color, and this is a Corvette Roadster. I think it is a Corvette Roadster. See guys, it is a Corvette Roadster. And the next one, the name of this car, wait for some time, see, the name is 70s Ford uh, Grand Torino Sport. And this is the next car. These all cars, the next car name is 61 Impala. So these are all the vintage cars. Actually I love cars and have a great passion for cars. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe, share to my channel. Thank you guys.